It is well known that Tulsi is known for its medicinal values. Tulsi holds the position to be the world's best medicinal plant, which has properties like antioxidant, anti-aging, antiviral, antibacterial, anti-flu, and many other. With 5 different types of Tulsi, it has natural health recovering qualities and helpful in all types of allergies. It is very effective in cough, cold, sore throat, acidity, constipation, stomach ache, and abdominal pain. It helps to get rid of viral and seasonal fever, swelling in lungs, hypertension, chest, congestion, fatigue, and vomiting. Take 3 to 4 drops with half cup of water twice daily in an empty stomach.